everyone, with greetings of the day. This is Kushal from grade 7 with my co-news reader Ansh from grade 8. We welcome all the viewers of DBK Newsroom. Let's start with news headlines of December 2025. On 5th of the month, Soil Day is celebrated with great enthusiasm. Recreational outdoor garden lunch activities is observed on 6th December. December 11, a special assembly is conducted on International Mountain Day. On 13th December, teachers and parents meet to discuss PT2 result. Today, football tournament by DBK Sports Academy organized. Mathematics Week is celebrated from 15 to 22 December at DBK School. Farmers Day is observed on 23 December at DBK Public School. Winners of Ukraine-India Students Writing Contest are honored at Public School, New Delhi. Christmas celebration is observed at DBK Public School on 24 December. Veer Bal Divas is celebrated at DBK Public School. Students learned about global issues through G20 Summit activity at DBK Public School.
Now, this is Ansh Batoy with news in detail. DBK Public School Nirvana celebrated World Soil Day on December 5 with great enthusiasm. Students from all classes, especially the preschool wing, actively participated in the program. Tiny Tots enjoyed fun-filled activities like soil painting, clay play, and coloring to learn about soil in engaging way. Senior students took part in poster making and awareness talks. The celebration highlighted the importance of soil conservation and environmental responsibility. DBK Public School organized a joyful recreational outdoor garden lunch activity on December 6 for students from nursery to grade 2. Little learners enjoyed sharing their meals amidst greenery, fostering healthy eating habits, friendship, and social bonding. The fun-filled activity provided a refreshing break from routine learning and promoted joy, cooperation, and overall well-being among the young students. DBK Public School Nirvana organized a special assembly on International Mountain Day on December 11 to create awareness about the importance of mountains. Students presented thoughtful speeches, slogans, and facts highlighting mountains, conservation, and their roles in maintaining ecological balance. The assembly inspired students to respect nature and understand the need to protect mountains for a sustainable future. DBK Public School organized a heartwarming PT2 parent-teacher meeting to discuss students' academic progress and overall development. Teachers shared constructive feedback on performances, strengths, and area of improvement, while parents actively interacted and appreciated the school's efforts. The meeting strengthened the parent-teacher partnership, ensuring holistic growth and better learning outcome of every student. DBK Sports Academy organized a thrilling 2-day sports of football on December 13, witnessing participation from 24 teams across Haryana and Punjab. The event showcased remarkable sportsmanship and talent. Kakot FC Academy emerged as the champion, lifting the coveted trophy. School Director Mr. Rajesh Sharma, Principal Ms. Rita Walia, and Headmistress Ms. Rita Sharma encouraged and motivated the players, applauding their dedication and team spirit. DBK Public School observed Mathematics Week from December 15 to 22, culminating the birth anniversary of the great mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan. A variety of engaging activities were organized throughout the week to promote logical thinking and numerical skill. Insightful speeches were delivered by HOD Mr. Pradeep and TGT Ms. Sheetal. Principal Ms. Rita Walia appreciated the enthusiastic participation and dedicated effort of students and teachers. DBK Public School celebrated Farmers Day to help students understand the vital role of farmers in our lives. Students actively participated by presenting meaningful poems, speeches highlighting the hard work, dedication, and importance of farmer in the feeding the nation. The celebration instilled respect, gratitude, and awareness among students towards the backbone of the country.
The felicitation ceremony of the Ukraine-India Students Writing Contest was held at Public School, Vasuda Enclave, Pitampura, New Delhi. DBK Public School students Garima Khatkar and Divya Agarwal were honored by the Ambassador of Ukraine to India for securing first and second positions. in senior group including class 9 to 12. And for their exceptional writing skills and global outlook, students interacted with peers from states like Himachal Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and so many other states of our country. Garima's father, Mr. Ravinder Khatkar, and Divya's father, Mr. Sandeep Agarwal, along with Principal Ms. Rita Walia and HOD English, Mr. Rakesh Nain, graced the occasion. School Director, Mr. Rajesh Sharma, congratulated the achievers and his commitment to providing global exposure and opportunities to students. DBK Public School celebrated Christmas with joy and festive spirit. The campus was beautifully decorated as students presented melodious activities highlighting the message of love, peace, and sharing. Teachers encouraged students to spread kindness and harmony. The celebration created a cheerful atmosphere and helped students understand the true spirit of Christmas, compassion, and togetherness. DBK Public School celebrated Veer Bal Divas with great enthusiasm on December 26 to pay tribute to the supreme sacrifice of Sahibzada Zorawar Singh and Sahibzada Fateh Singh. Students participated in speeches, recitations, and thought-provoking presentations highlighting courage, faith, and patriotism. The program inspired students to enable the value of bravery and selfless service in their lives. The Social Science Department of DBK Public School organized a G20 Summit activity to help students understand global issues and international cooperation. Students actively participated by representing different countries and discussing key challenges, enhancing their communication skills and global outlook. Principal Ms. Rita Walia appreciated the dedicated efforts of Ms. Nishu and the students for making the activity informative, engaging, and successful while promoting awareness about international relationships. Now, this is the time to say goodbye. We will come back soon with more exciting news and updates. Till then, take care of yourself and enjoy the winter seasons. Bye bye.